Hello guys, welcome back to Cedoh Kingdom. Most of you have been asking me in the past video about charging earbuds without the case, if it's possible to charge your AirPods without its original case. So maybe you've lost your AirPods or misplaced them, or your AirPods are broken, like in this case is not working. This AirPod case is not working, and one AirPod is totally broken. So I've tried charging it, but it's not working. But the right AirPod seems okay. So in this video, I will be answering that question about if you can charge your AirPods without its original case. So in this video, this right AirPod seems okay and intact. So we are going to charge this AirPod without this case. This case is damaged. So on your AirPods, there are two terminals beneath. So there is a positive and a negative terminal. To know which one is positive and which one is negative, there are two ways to know that. So the first way is using a multimeter, and the second way is using an old USB cable. Let's try the first way, is using a multimeter. Let's see if it will show us which side is positive and negative. So on the multimeter, when you see a negative sign in front of the digits, it means that I'm holding the probes in a wrong way. So there's a negative sign. So let's change. So the negative sign, it's gone. So it means that this side is negative and this side is positive. It's good to mark so that you won't forget this side is negative and the inside is positive. The second way is using an old USB cable. So when I slide this open, you'll get two wires, positive and a negative one. So this is just a step-by-step demonstration. I've not tried it, so we are trying it together for the first time. So the red wire is positive, the white wire is negative. So on the multimeter, this side was negative and the other side was positive. So I'm going to try and connect them like this and see if it works. To hold the wires firm on the terminals, I will use a transparent tape. Just using the transparent tape so the wires to be visible, so there will be no misconnection hapo. So I've connected the wires and the terminals, so I will add an extra tape. Hold it firm a 3-volt modification power bank, because the earbuds only charge with 3 volts, so I cannot use a power bank to charge them. So I'm going to use this. This is a modified project that I did before to charge my AirPods. So I will try connecting them. If the LED light turns on, it means that the connection is correct. If it doesn't, there is a loose connection. Yeah, see, shows that it's charging. So I'm going to leave this for a while to charge, and then I will plug it off, and then we will try and see if this AirPod will connect to my phone. So it's been charging for a few minutes, so I'm going to try if it works. So most of you say that it can charge, but it will not connect, it will not pair with my phone. So let's try if it pairs with my phone. So when you take them off your case, it automatically pairs. So let's scan and see if this will work. Yeah, see, Pro 3 connect, pair. So let's play some music and see if it's working. So it's playing, it's working. So the final verdict is that you can charge your AirPods without the original case, and they can pair without the original case. So this case is dead, it's not working. I've tried charging it several times, but it's not charging, so it's totally dead. But these AirPods, it's working. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and follow me on my other YouTube channels.